Start with a piece of 100% cotton fabric and scatter pure beeswax pellets evenly across the surface. Next, sandwich the fabric safely between 2 sheets of parchment paper to protect your surface and your iron. You'll instantly see the wax melt and infuse directly into the cloth, transforming it into a breathable, reusable wrap. If you have a larger piece of cloth, simply repeat the process across the remaining sections. Add a few more pellets to any dry spots, cover it back up, and glide your iron until the entire fabric is evenly saturated from edge to edge. Once your wrap is fully dry and set, it's completely ready to protect your sandwiches and snacks. Just roll them up neatly and place them in a convenient container. Hit that like button and subscribe for more unique home ideas.